Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project address deep learning enabled semantic communication based with speech recognition and synthesis. Our project abstract is the hate speech problem online social networking is the spread. So the existing literature survey using the machine learning approach the hate speech reduction. So in that your audio we have convert to the text format. After the text we have convert to the hate speech problem. So however the efficiency of convoluted information are different orientation as understood. In this study, present of the novel convolutional and bidirectional GORC and then capsule network based on the deep learning model. So we can implement on the proposed based on the LSTM model. So the proposed model is the evaluate of our two Twitter based benchmark dataset. It performance of 90, 80 and 80.4 respectively considering the precision, recall and F1 score over unbalancing data. In terms of training and validation accuracy, the proposed model show the best performance 0.93 and 90 respectively over the unbalanced data. So in the improved of the ML we have recognition of the speech reduction over time. In this process is going to the find or deducting speech recognition such a head word, offense word and normal word or going to the classic variable our dataset classes. In this approach we are going to the implement of the machine learning algorithm to find out that the accuracy, precision, recall. After we have the audio convert to the text format, the text we have convert to the hate speech problem. In our project flowchart is first we have collect the data based on the audio data we have convert to your text format. After with the data pre-processing means we have collecting the data. If you have any missing values we are checking and then label encoding process string to integer conversion. After that the data splitting process. Data splitting means so in your data we have training and testing we are splitting with the ratio 80% of training and 20% of testing. After the classification algorithm we have using the LSTM CNN. So the LSTM based on the long short term memory algorithm and then CNN based on the convolutional neural network algorithm. This is algorithm which algorithm is a perfect prediction we have compared based on the accuracy parameter. So finally we have the prediction and performance analysis. So this is the anaconda spider tool. So first we have opened the code path, we have copy and paste here. After go to the main code. So in your data set after that your s.main you will open it and this run option. So first we have import your audio data. That audio database we have text to convert. So after we are import the dataset wise is the normal word, offense word and then head word, the three words there. So is it data, then data we are using the first logistic regression will apply. We get that only 98.9 percentage of accuracy. Random forest we get the 90 percentage of accuracy. Decision tree we get the 80 percentage of accuracy. We have compared the both algorithm. It's a proposed algorithm is a random forest algorithm. So is a precision, recall, F1 score and confusion matrix we are checking. After we will go to that anaconda prompt, run as administrator and copy the path d:/cd space, enter it, streamlet, run app.py, enter